Hi, so I wanted to show a few of the embroidery projects that I've been working on for over the past year and some change now, specifically my clothing pieces. So the first piece I want to show y'all is this sunflower that I did. It's freehand. I really love it, super cute. And then also I put a little cute sunflower detail on the collar, and I put a little sunflower detail on the other collar as well. Yeah, so this is the sunflower shirt. I was not wearing this shirt and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make it extra cute, and I embroidered that. All right, so here's another button-up shirt that I did. As you can see, a button-up shirt theme. I have a lot of button-up shirts and they were just sitting in my closet and I wasn't wearing them. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna find a way to wear them, and I'm gonna embroider them, and I'm gonna make them cute and fun and fit my style for right now. So I did just that. I was taking a walk. I saw these beautiful little flower bush, and I was like, you know what? That's cute for an embroidery top. So I put little purple and pink flowers all over the front, and I put my little signature little embroidered flower on the collar as well. And then, because I was like, this is actually really cute with the button-up shirt, so I just added these cute little clips that I had used earlier today. But yeah, so this is my other shirt, this purple shirt that I really wasn't wearing, and I just made it cuter with embroidery. So this is, I know I said the sunflower one was my first one, but this was like, I believe, what was like my second one that I embroidered. And this was a mix of using a free design from DMC's website, but also adding my own element, because as you can see, I love adding different elements to make things my own and make things extra special. And this was one of them button-ups, as I said, like the other button-ups I was not wearing, and I really wasn't wearing this one. And I was like, I gotta find something that pops and to make it more wearable for me now. So I did that, and I love drinking chamomile tea at the end of the day. And I put a chamomile flower because they're so beautiful. So I put it on my pocket, and then I added some French knots. And of course, like another signature, I put little chamomile flowers that I freehanded on the collar because, I love me a collar detail. So this is my embroidered chamomile button-up shirt. Okay, so this is the last embroidery button-up top that I had to share. And the cool thing about this one is it's a button-up top, but it's a pajama top. And I didn't do like the flower detail that I usually do, but I wanted to make this a little different. I always love monogram things, but I really never owned anything monogrammed. And once I started learning how to embroider, I was like, okay, I have to embroider something with my name, initial, something on it. And as you can see, like I said, I love my name, Martina, I love it. And also I got this M, which I love. And so I was like, thinking about what I wanted to embroider. So I decided to embroider this fancy little M that's like kind of calligraphy style-esque. And then added little hearts on the side with different shades of pinks and reds to make it pop, and and have it with this beautiful tea mug that I love as well. But yeah, so I really like embroidering, button-up tops and like tops in general, and clothes in general. Embroidering is so much fun. It brings me so much joy, and it's something to do that's relaxing. It's something I do almost every day. And I love to embroider. So if you embroider, let me know. And if it's something that you think I should embroider on a button-up top or on something else, just let me know, because I do want to embroider more clothing. I have lots of ideas. So yeah, that's all. Stay tuned for another video on my embroidering. Bye.